Cheech and Chong.
Cheech and Chong. Let's get the smoker started here, everybody. And you know what else you could use for smoker fuel even too? If you don't have any? Cow poop.
Here, baby, get off me. Going back over there. Oh, thank you.
Didn't take.
Yeah, it's going. I just got to build it back up.
There it goes.
I like to cram it full so I don't have to worry about it running out. Right when I need it.
John Smoker's a beast. Takes a minute to get going his.
I like mine to hop out there. Hop out there. I just don't want it to go out right when
we get hot?
Yeah, right when we're loaded up with bees and everybody's pissed off.
Yep.
Because they're going to get mad.
Are one of these Africanized?
All three of them are.
Oh, okay.
But they're mild. They're not full. They're like a hybrid.
Okay.
These are. Okay. They're actually pretty decent bees. They're going to be rough compared to what you'd see on the internet upstate and stuff like that. They're going to be rougher than that.
We definitely don't work bees here in yoga pants.
But we're in the Africanized zone, so it's not a question of if, it's when they're that way. And these are going to be pretty rough.
Okay.
If I make a mistake in moving, they will be. And I'll try to open them up and move where they're not aggressive.
And what are we checking for today? We're doing...
We're looking for queen cells,
okay.
Number of bees that are in there, and if we need to split them out, all of them again.
Okay.
And because it's been 5 days, I know that one's congested. They may have drifted, but if they drifted, they've already got capped cells in it.
Okay.
And then they'll drift. For some reason, they'll build them up, and then they'll drift.
Okay.
That's one of their traits.
That's what they do. They build up, then drift.
And then drift. And they may have drifted back into the main hive, or they may have drifted into another hive.
Okay.
And I've had entire yards drift when you do this.
Okay.
So it's not uncommon. And it's aggravating. Sometimes it helps you balance out the hives, and other times it's like, why did y'all do this?
And it's just part of the control factor that shows that you can't control what they do.
Right. Let me grab my tool.
All right. Once again, it's blooming out here, you guys. We got thistle. A lot of thistle. And they pollinate this stuff. They pollinate thistle. Oh, here we go. He's out here working bees with my mentor today. See, look. There's some of the bloom. All this thistle's invasive, but they work it. They work it.
And they eat they'll come and pollinate all of this.
Look at this. There's another cactus. Look at that. Which one do you want to start on, John?
We're going to go to that end one, and we'll start on it.
The small one?
Yeah, the smallest one. That one was split 5 days ago.
Okay.
And I've got a door that I'm probably going to pop up behind it. It was actually split off of this one. This one was four tiers.
Okay.
4 boxes tall.
So we're gonna break this one open here.
And this one here, if you want to video this.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
This one here.
Oh, they know we're here.
Drifted. Yeah, I've already got 1 or 2 talking to me.
Yeah.
And this one here, we did it just a few days ago. Like I say, it was last Sunday. And they may not be that many bees. They probably drifted it. And with it being drifted, they're taken and yeah, it's all right. Yeah, here's some fine wood that we put in there. And there may may not be very many bees in this box. And we may have to split again. I'll put a mite strip in here, just in case. And we'll just see. And yeah, they have drifted and stuff because both these boxes were full the other day. And we're just going to take and...
What do you want to do? Tell me.
I need my grabbers right there. I'm going to take and we're going to look for a queen cell and see if they got a queen cell in here. And they got a queen cell in here. We're just going to leave them alone. And this one looks like it's pure honey. We got it all glued down. We're just going to set it over here. This is capped honey. And later we'll take and come back and get these. We'll just set it down. This one's hatched. I'm probably refilling it with honey. I'm just going to slide this one over because we should have some brood here. And they're filling this one with honey.
This looks like the brood maybe right here.
Yeah, this is start of brood. There's a start of a cell right there.
That top piece.
Yeah. And we should have if we don't have a queen cell that's capped in here, we don't have one. They're still open brood.
Is that a cell right there that they're making too?
Yep, that's a queen cell right there. And we got to look inside there, and it looks like there's one in it. There's royal jelly and stuff.
Okay, so they're making a queen out of that one.
Right, so they've got one going.
So does that mean they're queenless in here?
Yeah, until that one's hatched, they're queens.
Okay.
And you can see the pattern of brood that this other queen was laying over there.
Yep, a little spotty-ish.
And with this being full the other day, this was full, so the bees have drifted back to the other box.
Where's their queen at then?
They don't have one.
Okay.
That's got to hatch. They got to finish growing it and hatch that queen out.
Can you hold this queen or no?
No, I'm gonna put her right back down in here without mashing the other one, and we'll do that, and we'll slide them back together in just a minute. We're looking. Right here's another brood frame, and this all came off the 4th box. See, and they're hatching. They've been hatching all week. See, there's another queen cell. She's feeding it right there. See her up in there? Mm-hmm. The bee's feeding that other queen cell.
There's a little bud in there. See it right there coming out.
Yeah.
She's backing out right now. Look at her.
Yeah. So this one's got 2 queen cells so far. And we're actually going to take this one and the bees, and we'll add more bees to it. And we're going to make a nuke here in just a minute.
Okay. Do you want me to go grab one of the nukes?
Yeah,
okay.
Grab one of the nukes.
Okay.
I'm going to look and make sure there's no others on this one. Because what I don't want to do is lose bees to swarming.
Got
this
drone
one right
brood.
here's got drones all in it.
Real quick, just so everybody wants to know what drone brood looks like, look at the difference in the raised cells. See the capped cells? That's your difference right there in drone and regular brood.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm just holding it up and looking. I'm just looking for another cell.
Drone brood, is this where the drone brood will usually be across the bottom?
They can put it anywhere.
Okay.
They can put it anywhere, but they like to group it up.
Okay.
For sure.
Okay.
And like we got 2 queen cells in this one, we're going to build a nuke and put one in a nuke.
Okay. Let me go grab a nuke real quick.
And
this is awesome. I'm learning how to build a nuke today. This is great. Hang on, I'll be right back.
this is going to be easy because we're going to take bees from everybody here and put a nuke. No, bring them too. We're going to need them.
You'll be hitting right there on the end, John.
Yeah, just right here. I'm gonna try to move this.
So just slide it down.
Yeah, just slide it down around the end. And I'm just gonna set it right there. I just pull this out.
Okay.
Pull these out of the way. We're gonna put these back in here. And I'm just gonna set it up here.
All right.
Now,
I'm gonna film this so I'm gonna watch this. Okay.
all we're gonna do is make sure we got one good cell in that nuke.
All right. So this is how you're gonna. Anybody that's never built a nuke before, this is how we're gonna do.
And this is one process. And I ain't gonna say everybody does it the same way.
Yeah. Will you talk through it, John? How you're doing it?
As I'm looking now where I set the one down that had a queen cell in it.
I think it was the black frame, wasn't it, Boss?
Right. This one here was
On the other side of the frame.
the queen cell in it.
Right there. There it is. Right there.
Yeah. And
She's going in to feed
and we're feeding. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this one in here with bees.
With the bees. It's got drone brood.
It's got drone and that.
It's got capped and uncapped brood,
And
right?
cap, yeah. And what we're going to do too is
Take
right
one honey
here is
frame.
the old one. And we're going to put the smaller honey frame,
The smaller one, you said?
the small one.
Okay.
And that's going to lessen the smell, but we want it on that side.
On this side with the bees.
That side, yeah. We're going to give them a buffer.
Okay.
And that goes there. Then we're going to slide it together.
Okay.
And we're going to put,
Do I want it all the way to the wall, John?
yeah, right there.
Okay.
Right there. Then we're going to take, and I'm not going to worry about bees in this box.
You're gonna take bees from another box. Okay.
That's a split last week off of this hive. So there's going to be less piping and stuff like that. There's going to be less. So we're going to take, and these are going to be a little more POs. And we're just going to pull them. And it doesn't have to be a major. See, they're full again. Hatched out. And these are a little more aggressive.
Yeah.
They do like to use a thick smoke on them.
This would probably be a hive you'd use like burlap and cedar on,
Yeah,
possibly.
Yeah, this one here, they're going to be, they're tested. They're not, these aren't your
Run of the mill. These girls are definitely on their shit.
Yeah, and when we open this, you want to get your fingers underneath it and open it away from you like this, so they will stay on their fingers.
So you hope they stay on. Right now that we've opened these boxes up, there's a big robin pheromone going on around here.
Yeah, and see, like this box right here is almost all honey, and you can see right
Yep.
here together, it's
Yep.
fresh drawn out.
Yep.
That's that coated wax.
Okay.
And so they've been able to do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it off again. And I don't want to
Happy Mother's Day, Charlotte. John.
see if we can
Good trimming places.
trade places here. This one I don't think there's any brood up top.
Okay.
What you don't want to do is breathe down on them. Is this off or on? Okay.
All right. Should happen.
Here, I'm going to set it like this. Set it like that. Get some smoke in the air. And we're going to fry up on this end.
This
Yeah,
one.
just put the whole
It's heavy.
this is what African bees are going to do. You can see them there. You can see they're not excited.
They're definitely not excited about us being in their house. No.
And we're not excited.
We're not excited about it. We're just doing what we gotta do.
Yep. We're going to flick this.
And anybody who wants to know if this is a mind game, it absolutely is a mind game.
So we're over here.
And you got to imagine there's alarm pheromones going off, and there's probably bees for miles smelling this pheromone. So just keep that in mind, you know. And you can see them crawling all over the camera. You know, they are. Got it, John, here.
This one still needs to be split.
You want to split it right now? Okay.
We just got to get this.
Okay, you tell me what to do and I'll do it. You want me to get another nuke box? Okay. So we're going to do a whole other box split here. You run right here, John?
Yeah. We'll set the box up there and we're going to pull some things out.
Until they figure it out. Okay. Okay, you want to see larva all the way across from end to end. Exactly how you found it. Down the bottom. How do you know just because they're down the bottom like that? Right here, like this. Look, they won't. Yeah, I'll take those frames over here.
Peeking over the threshold.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Like all these are older bees
Yeah,
up here.
yeah, those are all over bees. And we're going to take them. Once we kind of go down in the air, we'll slide this one. Set it up top and slide it and turn it.
Like this? Now we get the backside there. Hang on, hold up. Let me smoke it a little bit.
Then this
A
way,
little bit, John. There we go. I didn't make it.
and then we're going to have, we're going to put 2 of these if we can get these to stay on it. And put 1 or 2 of these in there.
It's all capped honey right
Yeah,
there.
it's all capped. So we can do
go grab a fawn and patty?
Nah.
Okay.
Well, they've got honey in here right now.
Okay.
If we have too much stuff, it's going to,
10.
it'll add to them, and they're going to drift. Some will come to here, some will go back home. Hopefully they won't breed. I've had them leave breed, and we'll just see.
Do a steam therapy for you.
Some of them will drift into this box. That's why they're going to have a new clean, and they're going to get on board with it.
How long are you going to leave the grass in for?
Just for a little while longer.
Okay.
We'll pull it
Before we leave?
before we leave. It's just since it is a new, like so, we'll leave it for just a little bit. We'll walk away.
These ones
from
are already
these.
guarding right here.
They're already guarding the hive.
Yep, these ones are already guarding right here.
They're guarding.
Yeah.
They've already set the box. And if they've sent the box, that's excellent. It's not every day you get
Bring down the straps here. Go ahead. Killer bees, everybody. I bet that girl from YouTube won't come out and work bees like this in her damn yoga pants. I bet you $1 million she won't come out and work. Yeah. I don't even know what that girl's name is. I'm gonna go out and work my bees in yoga pants. Oh yeah, real good idea. Great idea. Bet you $1 million you won't come work these bees.
and some other little sticks.